Dadgum, it is Monday already. That weekend went. All right, let's do it. Let's make it. You know what to do. Make your day. I'm trying to capture it while there's no cars going by. In the background, there's a hum, there's a whistle, kind of like right about that pitch. It's cicadas. Maybe if I go outside, I'll do that. Oh yeah, you can definitely hear it out here. That background noise you hear. Cicadas. It's kind of cool. Again, they're present, but we don't have a ton, right? If I walk out here, I spotted one here on the grill cover. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Oh wow, I cleaned all of those shells off the other day. So they're still emerging. But the noise, that's kind of cool. I think it's cool. All right. Good noon. Here we are. We're out. The lovely and talented Mrs. forgot something at home. So it's a good reason for me to get out of the house, get in the car, and enjoy a noontime drive, which is pretty much how she put it. Okay, we'll talk later. Just wanted to check in. It is a beautiful day, and a beautiful day to have a convertible, and a beautiful day to drive it, even though in the background you can still hear the cicadas. Well, out for the noontime drive, and I glanced down, and no check engine light. How cool is that? This car's weird. Well, the hosta cicada population has definitely increased. Never seen this before. This guy needs some pruning though. That one stick, that thing is dead. Oh, water. Well, I finally put these on. Another one of my cheap things from wish.com, probably from China. I had 2 of these, which are pretty cool. You can get out in the light so you can see them a little better. But I only had 2, so now I've got 4 of the other ones, but I'll save these. Naturally. Oh, I can hear the ice cream truck. It's funny, the cicadas have gotten silent here at night, which I find interesting. Not as bad. Now it just kind of sounds like my ears, my tinnitus. Whew, all I've done really is water stuff. Sprayed for some bugs and kind of hit the patios with some bug spray to kind of keep the ants at bay. And I am sweating. It is hot, so. Whew, that's okay. After dinner and all, I needed to get a little movement in me. And I do have one big logged branch that fell down in the back to throw over the fence, so I got to get rid of that. So I think that's the Monday night wrap up. I really do. I don't think there's anything else exciting going on. Sorry, I hope I'm not making you ill with all the spinning. Yeah, they're all over this thing. They are all over this thing. Holy cow, look at this. Look at that one. This was not a small branch, as you can see. I can't keep it from wobbling though. Yeah. We were out in the yard when this one fell. Actually, I was inside doing dishes, so I didn't hear it. But the neighbor did, and my wife. Deer prints. You can't see them. Deer prints for me chasing the deer over the fence. All right, let's get the rest of this thing. It's a mess in my yard. Right there. Looks like the Construction folks have been out. That's a new stick, and it says this is the property line. But what is it the property line for, and why did they dig it in the middle of this stuff? I don't know what that property line is. And mark this tree. Let's go see what it says over here. Oh, look. Deer bedding down spots. Yep, they just sleep right behind my house. That's so cute. Again, still weird to think that soon there'll be a house here. All right, so that's honeysuckle, that can go. Here's another one of these stakes. Corner of 10 of 11. So that's a property line on their side, in between the houses, as opposed to the property line on our side. So they're going with that corner and the fence. Interesting. Yeah, there. More sticks and stuff over there. They're marking off the lots now. They've gotten started on that. Interesting. Again, very interesting. Progress is happening. It's morning. It is, in fact, morning. All right. Tuesday. Monday's done. Was up way too late last night. Just because hanging out, took a later shower, watched TV. The old boys were working on college stuff. Well, one of them was. The other one was late getting home. But yeah, here we are. So, hey. Tuesday.
This was actually shot while I was mowing. Look at all the cicada carcasses, the shells, I should say, stuck in the tree, down on the ground. That's the tree that's really on the property line. That's my neighbor's tree. But on our big oak tree right there as well, just a mess. It's nasty.
Oh, you can't see it between the trees so well. I'm kind of trying to head right at it. So maybe through that gap in the trees, you'll see how big and beautiful the moon is. Ah, there you go. Now, one thing that I'm finding interesting about the cicadas is they are daytime creatures. Because as you should notice right now, yeah, this phone just is never gonna focus on that moon, is it? That's a shame. Can't do it. One of the cool things about the cicadas is they are daytime creatures. There is no cicada buzz happening here in the evening. And I don't even know where they go. If they're up in the trees or down on the ground. There's a lot on the ground when I was mowing, so I slaughtered a bunch today. Interesting though, isn't it?
One of the reasons why there's so many cicadas is things like this. This guy never made it out. And I've seen a lot of that. That guy made it out. That guy made it out. That guy never made it out.
So what's going on this morning and why was I up and out? Well, kid who was supposed to take out the garbage did not take out the garbage when he got home. So the garbage did not go out to the street. The recycling gets picked up later, so I went ahead and took the recycling out to the street, so at least that can gets emptied. Having a little power struggle, if you will, with the adult children who need to do some things, and they aren't feeling motivated right now. So we got to work on finding them some motivation and inspiration so that they do the things that they should be doing. I think that's reasonable. Happy Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Oh, yeehaw. I'm on call for work. It's my day, Wednesday. I know, shocking, right? I'm not going to show you my password, which I need to change, actually. I've got 4 days until I need to change it. Every 90 days. My alarm just went off. It scared the you-know-what out of me. I wasn't expecting it. Tea time. I'm going to sit outside. In the background, yes, there is the cicada hum, but they ain't bugging me, so I'm going to enjoy sitting outside. Of course, it's mildly stressful because I'm looking at the grass going, man, I need to mow. Camera shy, aren't you? Been waiting for you guys to show up, and gals. There's another.